Hey guys, this is Alex from Boat Outfitters, and today we're going to go over the installation process for a cooler slide for our Angle 65. So right here we have the cooler slide made by Boat Outfitters. This is obviously a very high quality material that's going to last for a long time. The cooler slide has roller wheels underneath that makes the operation super smooth, and it easily glides in and out through the fiberglass floor of the boat. Without this cooler slide, everyone has been struggling to get the cooler out of underneath the leaning post, including the kids. Another thing that we absolutely love about this cooler slide is that is a one-hand operation, which again, for the kids, it's gonna be so much easier, or even when it's rough out and you're kind of bouncing all over the boat, you only need one hand to operate this cooler slide by just pulling that right there, and you're able to get the cooler out of that space. So one of the first things that we're gonna do here is we're gonna make sure that the cooler slide is actually centered. So we're gonna measure from that part. See that part right there, which we have about 2 inches on this particular leaning post. So that's perfect. And then we're gonna pull the cooler out and drill the holes. All right, so now we're gonna pre-drill the holes, just kind of like mark it a little bit. We wanna go with a slightly smaller drill bit size compared to our screw. And then we're gonna use a countersink drill bit to make sure we don't have any cracks on the gel coat for the boat. So these are the screws that we're using. You want to make sure that they're flathead so that they don't interrupt the slide of the cooler. And also they're number 8s, 1.25 inches. So it's gonna really depend on how thick your floor of your boat is. This is an LTV and they use very, very thick fiberglass. But just make sure that you're not drilling through something underneath. Now you want to countersink this to prevent any kind of holes or any kind of cracks on your gel coat. The holes are already countersinked, so we're going to put some silicone on each hole to make sure everything is watertight and we don't have any water or moisture penetration down to the deck of the boat, which is important. You could cause problems down the road that we don't want. All right, so we got the cooler slide installed, and you can see right here is a simple one-hand operation. Slides it out, it locks on the out position, and then when you go put it away, same thing, in, and it locks.